Beets aren't just vegetables, they're super-powered health boosters. I've scoured through dozens of scientific studies to find out exactly how these vibrant roots help fight cancer. Curious about how beets prevent cancer and enhance your health? Stay tuned as we dive into the surprising science behind beets. You know, beets aren't just another item on your salad bar. They pack a real punch when it comes to nutrients. Folate, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C are just the start. These aren't just good for you, they're essential for your body's day-to-day functions. Folate helps your body make new cells, potassium keeps your muscles working right, and vitamin C? It's your body's repair kit for healing and fighting off those colds. But the real kicker? These nutrients also play a huge role in keeping your heart healthy and your energy levels up. Now, let's talk about heart health. Did you know that the ancient Greeks and Romans used beets as a medicine? They might not have known why beets were good for them, but today, we do. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. This helps to widen and relax your blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. It's like giving your heart a little less work to do. But that's not all. Ever wonder why athletes are interested in beets? It turns out, those same nitrates that help your heart also boost endurance. Studies have shown that athletes who drink beet juice before competing are able to push harder and longer. One study in particular caught my attention. Researchers found that cyclists who drank beet juice could pedal up to 20% longer. That's not just a small boost, that's a game changer. So, whether you're looking to improve your heart health, push your limits in your next workout, or just want to up your nutrient intake, beets are worth a closer look. And I mean, with all these benefits, why not throw some in your next smoothie or salad? Your body will thank you. Beyond their famous role in boosting athletic performance and supporting heart health, beets have a treasure trove of other benefits that might surprise you. Let's dive into how these vibrant roots can enhance other aspects of your health. First off, beets are a powerhouse for reducing inflammation. Thanks to betalains, the pigments that give beets their rich color, these vegetables help calm inflammation in your body. This isn't just good news for people dealing with arthritis or chronic pain. Reducing inflammation can also help protect your brain and other vital organs. But what about your liver, the body's detox center? Beets are on it. They contain compounds that enhance the liver's ability to rid the body of toxins. This means not only a healthier liver but also better overall detoxification, which can boost your energy and immune system. And we can't forget about digestion. Beets are rich in fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. If you've ever had issues with constipation or irregular bowel movements, adding beets to your diet might be a natural way to help. Mental health also gets a boost from beets. The nitrates we talked about earlier? They increase blood flow to your brain, which can help improve mental clarity and function. Imagine feeling a bit sharper and more focused just from eating some beets. Finally, let's touch on skin health. The vitamins and minerals in beets don't just keep your insides happy, they also help your skin. Antioxidants in beets can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and keep your skin looking youthful and glowing. With all these amazing benefits, it's clear that beets are much more than just a simple side dish. They're a versatile and powerful component of a healthy diet. So, the next time you're at the store, why not pick up some beets? Your body might just thank you with better health from head to toe. Now, let's dive into a topic that often raises eyebrows. Can eating beets really help prevent cancer? It sounds almost too good to be true, but let's look at the science. Studies have shown that beets are rich in compounds like beta-cyanin, which give them their deep red color. This compound has caught the attention of researchers because it helps fight cancer by making the environment less favorable for cancer cells to grow. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that beetroot extract reduced multi-organ tumor formations in various animal models when administered in drinking water. This suggests that beets could play a role in cancer prevention not just in theory but in real-life applications. Now, you might be wondering whether all forms of beets are equally beneficial. The truth is, how you prepare beets can affect their nutritional benefits. Raw beets retain more of their antioxidants than cooked beets, but the latter can still provide significant health advantages. Juicing beets is a popular way to consume them, especially for those looking to boost their athletic performance, as it makes the nutrients more readily available for your body to absorb. Speaking of absorption, how often should you eat beets to reap their health benefits? Nutritionists suggest incorporating beets into your meals 2 to 3 times a week can help you maintain their health benefits consistently. However, not everyone should jump on the beet bandwagon without consideration. For individuals with conditions like kidney stones, caution is advised. Beets contain oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation in susceptible individuals. So, what about beet supplements? Are they as good as eating whole beets? While supplements can provide a concentrated dose of the beneficial compounds found in beets, most experts agree that eating whole beets is the best way to get the full spectrum of nutrients, fiber, and health benefits that beets offer. Let's wrap this up with some practical tips on how you can add beets to your diet. Beets are incredibly versatile. Roast them to bring out their sweetness, add them raw to salads for a crunchy texture, or blend them into a smoothie. For those looking to maximize their nutrient intake, adding a handful of beet leaves, which are rich in calcium, iron, and vitamins A and C, can boost the nutritional value of any dish. By the way, if you're intrigued by how everyday foods can influence your health, you might be wondering about other natural ingredients that pack a similar punch. For instance, have you ever considered the role of black walnuts in managing your weight? They're not just tasty, they could be a game changer in your diet. Why not explore the extraordinary health benefits of black walnuts, from weight control to even cancer prevention, in our next video? Click over to see how these powerful nuts could reshape your health and wellness strategy. In conclusion, beets are more than just a simple vegetable. They are a potent natural remedy that offers a range of health benefits from cancer prevention to improved athletic performance. Remember, the key to benefiting from beets is consistent consumption as part of a balanced diet. If you have specific health conditions, always consult with a healthcare provider to tailor dietary choices to your needs. Beets can be a fantastic addition to your diet, so why not give them a try and see how they can benefit you?